Hey everyone, welcome back to NethaxStark YouTube channel. I'm Stark, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you guys can solve the Redeemer machine. So it is tier 0 with which we were doing, okay, and it is our fourth machine. Its name is Redeemer. It's very easy. So let's start. First of all, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and you have to first make a directory. So make directory Redeemer. I already created the directory, so in the directory we will start our nmap scan. First of all, we have to also spawn the machine, so I have started that machine. Let's see when it will start. Or first of all, let me go to the new private window. We have to search few things. So let's search the tag. So first tag is Redis. What is Redis? So REDIS, it is a in-memory data structure store, and its full form is, I think, so it is a database management system, and its full form is remote database server, okay. And what is Redis full form? So its full form is remote dictionary server, okay, not database. And it is basically was fast and open source, okay, and it stores the data like by taking key and its hash, okay. So here you're gonna see the key. So if the key is city, then you will find hash for the value, which is New York City, okay. So this is how it works. This is my IP. Let's start our scan. Our scan is started. So let's talk about the second tag, which is vulnerability assessment. So what is vulnerability assessment in cybersecurity or penetration testing? So vulnerability scanners, these are scanners. Assessment means if you will find any vulnerability, so you will basically record them or basically manage them in order. So which vulnerability is most severe, which is not most severe. So you will basically rate the vulnerabilities that according to their impact. So these are the whole vulnerability assessment. So this is your homework. You have to search the tags. Database is basically, it is a store which stores the value which are interrelated, okay. So it is called database. Next is reconnaissance. Reconnaissance means getting information, okay, scanning, getting information about something. Anonymous means guest access, anonymous access, okay. So which port, TCP port is open on the machine? So its value is 6379. So this is the port number which is open on the machine, okay. Which service is running? So we talked about Redis, so it should be running. So I told you it stored the value in the basically in the type of in-memory database. So what is in-memory database? It uses the RAM, okay, for storing data. So I'm giving you this talk. This spelling mistakes, oh my god. Which command line utility is used to interact with the Redis? So Redis, if you want to do, so its name is Redis, not CLI. CLI is command line interface, okay. Which flag is used with the Redis command line utility to specify the host name? So if you know what is host name and how to know the host name, then you have to just give -d -h. H means host name, okay. So it is as simple as fuck. Once connected to Redis server, which command is used to obtain the information? So you should actually search about these, okay. Hack tricks, you can find this. Redis. The info command, okay, it's the name, and you can also find in the hack tricks also. So command name is info. what's the version? So you can find the version here, 507. Okay, 57. Via hint, which command is used to select the, so if you want to select anything, I hope you know what is database. So in database we use select command to select anything. Okay, how many keys are present? So we can use the ready. Okay, I don't have this, so let's install. Yes, so the command is sudo apt install redis. Okay, and it is installing. Okay, it's stuck at process. So not connected, we have to type the IP address. This is the IP address. Could not connect. Why? How? Connection refused. How this can happen? Okay, let me tell you. We can do this by hostname. So this is our hostname, and from this we will be connecting. Okay, select. Okay, info. Yes, so we have the informations here. These are the informations. So what we have to do, so you can see how to install the Redis, but what we have to do is the number of keys. So let's find out what are the number of keys. So this is the hack tricks. Okay, info client list. Okay, so this is how we can know for info key space. So these are the 4 keys. Okay, number of keys are 4. Which command is used to obtain all the keys? Which command is used to obtain all the keys? I think we can get the keys by doing this keys and asterisk. So if you have done the relational database of SQL, which I have made many videos, okay, so from this asterisk we are selecting all the things. So keys will basically show the keys, and asterisk means it will give us all the keys. Let's check. Yes, it is providing us all the keys, and in that key there will be its particular value, or the hash will be stored. Okay, so which command is used to obtain all the keys? We have done this. Submit the root flag. Okay, flag, I mean not flag, but we have to, yeah, select get keys, key, then I think the value, yeah. So let's get the flag, and here is the flag. This is the root flag. So guys, we have completed the, so as you can see here, we have completed the redeemer. So we have completed all the, let's take info. Okay, it was my mistake, oops, but I have, yeah. So we have completed the 4th machine also. This is the redeemer, and if you are a VIP member, you can complete all the 4 machines also, and after that we will be doing our tier 1. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and share the previous video, share this video also, watch the video. Thank you for watching guys, thank you for watching.